to the 12 tribes of the children of Israel scattered abroad, in the name of the Most High Jehovah, creator of all things on this earth, and Jesus Christ of Nazareth, who rules the earth and everything in it, I'm bringing you greeting. Today is the first day of the week, and this is just a little video. I have to tell you how to prepare lamb. You know, the children of Israel is supposed to eat according to the dietary laws listed in the books of Moses, from Genesis all the way down to Deuteronomy, and even in the New Testament we have the feast days like the feast of Pentecost, the Passover, the feast of unleavened bread. So we have to prepare sometimes different meats. You know, we eat lamb, goat, cow, ox, fish that you can scale off the scales off of it, and the herbs and the clean fowls and so on. So this is lamb. This is how I do it, to take out the blood, because we're not supposed to eat food with blood in it. So before I cook it, I soak it for like about an hour in water, then I'll drain off the water. Then I'm going to prepare the seasonings in that, then season up the meat, and then put it to bake or broil in this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this up. Since I have to do the video and everything, I can't do it and so on. So I'll show you each ingredient. So it's gonna have the cilantro seasoning, garlic, scallion. I'll cut these up fine. Thyme, herbs and seasoning, onion. I use Celtic sea salt. You know, where the ancient Celts from Britain. All who thinks that Britain was totally white, there are plenty of black British over there. Then I use Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, a little bit of that. Some of the sea salt and a little bit of ginger. I also put some pepper in it, like cayenne and Scotch bonnet, but I'll get to those. So that's what I season it up with, and then a little bit of sugar as well. So, and then I'll bake it or broil it until it's done and there's no blood left in it. So that's how we prepare lamb. We don't really have a lot of lamb left in Jamaica. I did see one bowl one time when I did a little bit, but I think them grow down there no more because it's too hot. So we do a lot of goat and a lot of beef and so on. So that's how you prepare that, and then you cook it. When you're done cooking it, there should be no blood in it. So with that I say shalom.